P with Mr. V, and this is the coordination challenge. In this challenge, we're going to try to move our fingers separately, one at a time, like this. If you can do it with your good hand, try it with your bad hand as well. I've got another little challenge for you, the opposite arm circle challenge, like this. Another little coordination challenge. For this one you need a chair, you have to sit down, and we're going to try to move our arm in one direction, so circles clockwise for example, and at the same time with our leg, circles counterclockwise, so on the same side, so right leg, right arm. Ready? Like this. Not easy. There you have it. 3 easy or maybe not so easy coordination challenges you can do at home. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in the next video. Bye.